The grilled cheese was invented in Naples, Italy in the 18th century as a triangular sandwich, back when both bread and the world were flat. It was originally open-faced until someone realized it was better with a ceiling and thicker bread and without that tomato nonsense, and then no one ever heard anything about food from Italy ever again.
You suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck.
Now everyone who's made a grilled cheese knows you just butter, bread, cheese, bread, butter, cook, low, get distracted by the internet and overcook the first side, flip, learn your lesson and do better this time, done. Grilled cheese sandwiches are so easy to make you can literally cook it while wailing on guitar. And you can use pretty much whatever bread you want, but if you want that beautiful golden brown crusty finish, just make sure you start with a bread that's so white it thinks ketchup is spicy. But wait, what's that I hear off in the distance? There's been a disturbance in the grilled cheese force as many people swear that mayo is better than butter. Could it be that an inside-only condiment actually works on the outside of this iconic sandwich? We'll get to the bottom of this with the powerful science of blind taste testing. Okay, and okay, I definitely like this one better. Writing out everything that's wrong with you would be a crime against trees. Goodbye.
What the
Butter. Ha! I knew this mayo nonsense was a scam. But if you like it, it's fine. Just make sure you don't use something that rhymes with Flyrical Blip. The green onion grilled cheese is something I made up in my mind that I'm making for the first time right now, but I know it's going to be amazing because green onions are amazing. Ripple chop! We're going to cook the green onions, also known as scallions, in the pan with several buck tons of olive oil until they're just super cooked or whatever. Make the grilled cheese however you like, which is so easy to do I could play this sick bass groove at the same time. Then we're going to spoon those onions into the center, and then I'm just going to check something real quick. Just make sure when you cook your scallions, you don't accidentally use rapscallions.
Born in a garden with nothing to eat.
Dude, could you not?
Pro tip.
If you want to add steps and have more things to clean up, you can grate your cheese so it'll melt faster. And if you want to waste time and have your grilled cheese cook slower, you can use one solid block of cheese. Oh great, I was doing this as a joke, but it actually worked, which is so disappointing. The pickled jalapeno grilled cheese is a great grilled cheese to make if you're in the mood for a taco and want to eat something that looks and tastes nothing like one. This is so easy to make, I can literally play the cachakas at the same time. Definitely not a taco.
Pro tip.
If you have kids who are bad, which all kids are, give them a crust-only grilled cheese sandwich to teach them a lesson about how you're a bad parent. To make the roasted red pepper pesto grilled cheese, you need to roast the red triple peas until they're roasted, then make some pesto. Take some pesto out of the container. Pesto, cheese, peppers. This is so easy to make, I can cook it while mixing my new album Eat, which is out now on all platforms, including the new song at the end of this video. Oh god, please listen to it. Yeah, that slaps. If anyone still says slaps, I'm not sure.
Pro tip.
If you want to add a little pizzazz to your grilled cheese, add some garlic powder to the bread. And if you want to further vampire-proof the sandwich, add miniature wooden stakes to the surface, and make sure to cook it in a dash of holy water. The ribeye grilled cheese is considered by beef aficionados to be the purest form of steak. For this we use a special high-end cheese, then we carefully place the ribeye in its rightful place. Yep, that's what was missing. This is hard to make, so don't f*** around. The grilled cheese involves sprinkling cheese on the outside of the grilled cheese to create a crispy, protective, cheesy crust. We are crust maxing. If you want to looks max your grilled cheese, just inject a full dose of deep insecurity. But if you really want to get into it, you can just fry cheese in your pan until you make cheese flatbread. And now we're fiber maxing. Then just go ahead and put cheese in the middle of the cheese bread to create grilled cheeseception. Oh no, here we go again.
Wake up and you need to eat. Gotta wash your face, gotta wash your feet. Get your clothes, get your shoes, get you into the street. But not before you warm up the pan with some heat. You gotta take the bread, the butter and spread. Put cheese in the middle on the griddle and sizzle until you flip a couple times till it's golden brown. Because my day doesn't start till I swallow it down. I need my grilled cheese, grilled cheese, grilled cheese, dill cheese, chilled cheese, thrilled cheese, spilled cheese, running up the hill cheese, skilled cheese, drilled cheese, filled cheese, windowsill cheese, tilled cheese, gilled cheese, grilled cheese, gotta build cheese. Bless me, Father, here's a little confession. I've got just a bit of a grilled cheese obsession.